southeastern Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, northern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Thompsonville, or 13 miles southwest of McLeansboro, moving east at 35.
Guys, these are on McLeansboro, Illinois. I forgot what the ID is. And then this one is on WXM 49.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage.
But it's all the same. That one's on channel 2, WXM 49. And I think that one's like KXI.
Include El Dorado, York City, Galatia, Ridgeway, Thompsonville, Raleigh, Omaha, and Broughton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, and White. Severe thunderstorm watch number 555 remains in effect.
Now it's about to come over the TV because it's in a county where Mediacom does cover. There it is. Let's see if it's on in there. Well, it's not on in there. Oh, well, yeah, it's trying.
At the beach and enjoying the nice conditions.
The times when
See, but that one it won't.
County in south-central Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, northern Gallatin County, Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Thompsonville, or 13 miles southwest of McLeansboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Edward, northeastern Hamilton, northeastern Gallatin, and central Posey counties. Illinois. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carmi, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
And then this one, for some reason, it won't come over. And usually the EAS will, but this one, the Sanyo, it does not have EAS in it.
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Let's turn that one off. Alright guys, that is it for now. I'm not going to consider it a double header, but that's it.